Hello, my name is Richard, and right here I'm going to show you a secret website where you can buy affordable data packages. So the name of the site is Datapacks.shop. Head into your search engine and type Datapacks.shop. Right after entering the site domain name, you are going to see login sign up. New users, you are going to tap on sign up, fill in the sign up details, your email, first name, last name, password. You accept the terms and privacy, then you tap on sign up. Existing users, you come to login, you fill in your login details, and you tap on sign in. Right after tapping on sign in, you should be able to see this particular interface, and this is the home page where we have welcome, enjoy cheapest data bundles. So we have for MTN, we have for Tigo, we have for Telecel. And when you go through, you are going to see go to wallet, buy data now, and contact us. Okay, so I'm going to explain these things to you step by step. The first thing I'm going to explain to you is the navigation bar. And once you tap on the navigation bar, you are going to see home, wallet funds, my account. All right, so let's go to wallet funds, and here you should be able to top up your wallet and also transfer wallet from your account to other user. And we have my account. Once you get here, you tap on these three lines, you should be able to have the entire menu, and we have the dashboard menu, we have the orders, we have downloads where you can download all your orders, we have addresses, we have account details where you can modify your account username and other names. All right, so once we come back to the home page, we are going to see go to wallet. It takes you back to your wallet where you can do proper or you can do top-ups. Okay, we have the buy data now, but before then, let me move to the contact us. And once you tap on contact us, we have chat with Scamper, chat with Tech2. All right, so these are WhatsApp numbers. Once you tap on it, it's going to redirect you to WhatsApp, then you have a chat with us. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk to you about is the buy now. Once you tap on buy now, there is going to be another drop menu where you tap and choose your preferred data packages. So we have the MTN, then we tap on proceed, and once you get here, you should be able to choose your best package, and make sure you read the instruction over here. And after doing that, just tap on buy now. It takes you to another page where you fill in your credentials. So here you enter your name, your email is already there, then you enter the beneficiary number. After doing that, you tap on pay now, and you should be able to complete the purchase. All right, so you do same for other packages like Telecel, like Airtel to go, like iShare bundle, and we are going to add another data packages to it, and that is going to be the MTN instant. Once you order, it takes like 5 minutes for you to receive your order. All right, so this is the site I bring to you, and if you want cool site like this for your data business, you can reach out to us and we're gonna sort you out. I still remain Scamper, and I'm out.